What if aging isn't natural at all? What if the slow decay of your body isn't just biology, but a hidden countdown your cells are quietly obeying? Because somewhere inside you, right now, a timer is running. You can't feel it, you can't stop it. And the moment it reaches zero, everything changes. But here's the strange part. Scientists still don't fully understand why the timer exists, or what might happen if we learned how to turn it off. But before we go deeper, tell us in the comments, if science could slow or even reverse aging, would you take the chance? And make sure to subscribe as we uncover the mysteries behind the world's biggest questions. Let's start with the basics. Your body is made of trillions of cells. Each one follows instructions written in your DNA, but every time a cell divides, it copies those instructions, slightly less perfectly than before. And at the end of each DNA strand sits something crucial: telomeres. Think of telomeres like the plastic tips on shoelaces. They keep your DNA from fraying. But each time a cell divides, those tips get shorter. Eventually they become so short that the cell can no longer divide safely. It either breaks down, goes dormant, or becomes damaged. This shortening is one of the most direct and measurable reasons we age. But telomeres aren't the whole story. Inside your cells are tiny energy engines called mitochondria. They power almost everything you do: moving, thinking, breathing. But over time, mitochondria grow weaker. They produce less energy and more harmful byproducts. It's like your entire body is slowly running on failing batteries. Next, consider cellular damage. Every second you're being bombarded by UV radiation from the sun, toxins in the environment, stress hormones, and random errors that occur inside your cells. When you're young, your repair systems fix most of it effortlessly. But as you age, those systems wear down. Repairs become slower, errors slip through, and aging accelerates. Then comes the disturbing theory, one scientists still argue about. Aging might not be an accident, it might actually be programmed. Some researchers believe evolution intentionally built aging into life. Why? Because when older generations step aside, newer ones adapt and evolve faster. Ecosystems stay balanced. Species stay fit for changing environments. In this view, aging is nature's way of refreshing the system, clearing the path for what comes next. But here's where it gets exciting. We're starting to learn how to fight it. Researchers have found ways to lengthen telomeres, refresh mitochondria, and erase cellular damage. In lab experiments, scientists have turned old, weak cells back into healthy young ones. Not slowed aging, reversed it. In animals, researchers have restored vision in old mice. They've rejuvenated aging organs. They've extended lifespans far beyond normal limits. And if these early breakthroughs continue, the timer inside us may not be permanent after all. So the real question isn't why do we age? We understand the mechanisms. The real question is, what happens when humanity finally learns how to switch off the countdown? And this is why we age.